As a creator, one of the things that I've struggled with is finding that connection to your camera that allows you to vlog, to use it as a tabletop tripod, you know, that kind of selfie stick, combination tripod, etc. I've used the Joby GorillaPod, I've used selfie sticks, the Zhiyun crane, and now I think I've found one that's small enough, light enough, and is going to last the test of time. This is the Ulanzi MT43 tabletop carbon fiber tripod. This tripod has some great features, one being the fully articulating ball head, which is awesome. If I want to go into portrait mode, I can do that with my different cameras. It's also got an Arca Swiss plate attached to it, which I can swap with any of my other tripods because all of my tripods are Arca Swiss, as well as my capture clip from Peak Design. So that's a great feature. It's got that rubber padding to protect the bottom of my cameras, and it's all metal construction, and I love that. It also rotates 360 degrees, and it's a very smooth movement. Be able to turn the camera if I need to when I'm shooting video on like a tabletop and I want to turn it smoothly, I can make that happen. The legs are really nice. They fold up into a handle there where my hand is, and those are rubber coated, and those fold out to become the feet of the tripod, and they're coated on both sides with rubber to be able to grip it and use it for, you know, a selfie stick, vlogging, you know, all the things. And then there's a twist mechanism that locks it into place so that they can't go any further than that. And you can rest it on a tabletop. It will support a DSLR or mirrorless camera. I've had my Fuji X-T4 with the 10-24 on it, and it had no problem whatsoever handling that, but it's going to be used mostly for my Insta360 Ace Pro, which is this camera, and something that I'm going to be working on doing more vlogging, and this is pretty much how I'll be using it, holding on to the grip and cruising wherever I happen to go, and doing some different types of video. I've never been a vlogger, but I do want to have the option to be able to do walkabout videos like this and have it be stable using the stabilization of the camera that I've got on it, instead of having to worry about, you know, using like the Zhiyun crane or any other gimbal that's going to do stabilization. It's also great for mounting in order to do time-lapse, and I can just rest it on there and do time-lapse videos as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know I had some fun making it. It's something a little bit different. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. Other than that, my name is John Weinberg. Till next time, take care.